Are you thinking about buying the HoseHawk Pro and wondering if it's actually worth it or just another overhyped cleaning tool? Let's talk about what this product really offers and whether it lives up to the claims. The HoseHawk Pro is being advertised as a high-pressure water jet attachment that can turn any regular garden hose into a powerful pressure washer. The website claims it can save time and money while giving you a spotless clean. It highlights something called hydropower technology and says it can instantly remove dirt, grime, and stains from driveways, patios, cars, fences, and more. On the surface, it sounds like an easy and affordable alternative to buying a real pressure washer. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, when you look closely, there are several red flags you should be aware of. The biggest one is the claim of professional-grade cleaning power. In reality, a simple hose attachment cannot match the performance of an actual pressure washer, which typically runs at 1,500 to 3,000 psi. A regular garden hose just doesn't have that kind of pressure. Another claim is instant cleaning. Removing tough stains like oil, mold, or algae usually takes time, effort, and sometimes cleaning chemicals. So the idea that this tool can do it instantly feels unrealistic. The term hydropower technology also sounds impressive, but it's mostly a marketing phrase. In reality, it's just a nozzle that concentrates water flow, not any advanced or new technology. The product is also marketed as effortless, but the results depend heavily on your home's water pressure. If your pressure is low, the performance will be limited, and this isn't clearly explained. There's also a claim that it's safe for all surfaces, which can be misleading. A strong jet of water can still damage softer materials like wood, paint, or vinyl if not used carefully. Another concern is pricing. Similar hose attachments are often available for much cheaper on other platforms, suggesting this could be a drop-shipping product with a high markup. Finally, the website itself was recently created on April 15, 2026, which means there's very little history or trustworthy customer feedback available. Overall, while the HoseHawk Pro might work as a basic hose attachment, the marketing appears exaggerated. It's always a good idea to compare options and stay cautious before making a purchase.